think against the Subaru. This is the only way we compare to see how the mods do. The closest one we had was when he had the K&N drop-in filter and I had a stock. Yeah, so he has the cold air, AEM intake. I installed the Takeda, and just trying to get an idea because he's gonna get the Access port. I'll give him the jump. Two, three. Viens, mon ami Pierrot. Shit, you're right there. I know. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm letting off. 1, 2, 3. That car behind is keeping up pretty good. So I'm gonna slow down. 1, 2, 3. You go third gear, I'll go second. That works good for you. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Beamer is it?
I don't know. I know it's a Beamer though.
Is it dual exhaust?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
I'll let off. He's gonna rear end that car. All right. It doesn't even have dual exhaust. It's definitely just like a 328 or something. I'm going 100 now. Jesus. I was waiting for your delay, but you didn't have any. Floor it right after 3, so you do the same. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Want to do an uphill battle? Third gear. See, I'm at like 5 grand right now. All right, 1, 2, 3. Once I get in the red, that's where she goes. Oh shit. Son of a bitch. Fuel now. Well, still pulling top end. I thought for sure he was going to beat me after that tune, but